Welcome to another edition of Birdview Tutorials. In this video, we'll show you how to assign team members to your project. First, navigate to the Activity Center and find the project you want to work with. Click on the Assignee column at the project or task level where you'd like to assign team members. You can either select users from the drop-down list or use the search bar to find specific ones. Once you've selected a user, their name, initials, and avatar will appear at the top bar. If you need to change your selection or remove a team member, just click the X next to their name on the top bar. For bulk assignments, click the checkbox here to select multiple tasks. Choose the tasks you want to assign and hit the Assign button. Then pick the user to assign these activities to. And that's it. Your team is all set to get started on their tasks. For more tips, visit the Birdview knowledge base. Happy planning!